Hello world, here's PD, your Bitcoin trading informant, and this is your update for XLM Stellar. What's going on? Maybe we are building a new pattern now. I found something really special here in this chart. Twinker, twinker. And guys, I would like to show you this now for XLM Stellar. Let's go. So this is the daily time frame. Every candle here is 1 day, and we saw a really big pump to the upside and a really big leg to the downside. Deep taking breath for XLM. But now what's going on? Guys, first of all, we saw a death cross. Here on this point, we saw the death cross. And now we are fighting again with this EMA line. And we can check it, guys. This EMA line, if you are clicking on this, you can see it. The red one is the EMA 200. This is now the most important thing for all traders. They are trading XLM, or for all guys, they are long on XLM. For the moment, we are fighting with this red EMA 200, and you can see it. We have no confirmed closing candle over this line. We need, for a new bull run, for a next big leg to the upside, a confirmed closing candle for XLM over the red line over the EMA 200. And guys, yes, we are still in the death cross zone. Don't forget this. Here here it is. You can see it, death cross on this point. We need this green line over the red line. This is a long way, but it's possible. It's possible to see that, but not today, not tomorrow. Maybe on the next few weeks we will see here a golden cross, but for the moment we are in the death cross zone and we are fighting with the EMA 200. But guys, I can show you something special here. Maybe we are building now a cup and handle. It's possible to see this here. Let me show you the cup and handle. I have to search it. Here is the curve. I think it's possible from this point over this point and to the downside this point. Maybe this is our cup, or maybe something like this. This is our cup. We are building this for the moment. And if we will go down, here a little bit on this parallel channel, maybe something like this here now. So a little down going price here. We may build a handle here, okay? And then, guys, we can check it. We can check it. How is the next big thing? How is the next big thing if we can break up to the upside? Maybe something like this. It's not so easy to draw, but let's try it, guys. Let's try it. It's only a thought. It's only a thing. Maybe it will happen. This is then the trend line. This is the line to the trend line, and this is the target if we will break out. Depends always where we will break out, but where is the next big thing? Where is the next big target for XLM? If we can break out, I think it's possible to watch or to see this one here. This was the last leg to the upside. From this we started with our big downtrend, and I think it's possible. Maybe it's a lot of magic glass reading. If we can go on, if we can go over our EMA 200, if we can make maybe a golden cross to see 65 cents again for XLM here, if this cup and handle will break out to the upside. Okay, I know, guys, this is a lot of magic glass reading, but it's possible. We have to watch this pattern in the next few days. Maybe we're going down here a little bit, maybe we're going up here a little bit more, something like this here, and maybe this will go down from this point here. Then we will see an upgoing price here. Depends always where we will break out, but it will measure better if we will see here an upgoing price to, let me check, at this point here, 45 cents, then a little down, and then a big leg to the upside with our cup and handle. It's possible, guys. It's really possible. Let me show you one thing before we end this video here. Let me show you the candles. And yes, this is really dangerous for the moment. You can see it here. The bearish Harami is here. And we saw it yesterday with this closing candle. Now a little leg to the upside. The big question is, will this play out or not? For the moment, we are building here a really nice uptrend channel, and as long as we are in this uptrend channel from the lowest point here, let me show you from this lowest point here over this points to the upside. This is our uptrend, and the uptrend is always a green one, and you can see we're over the middle line. So as long as we are in the uptrend, everything is okay. But look at this. Now we are building here also a bearish Harami, the same big as on Bitcoin and as on all other coins here. We are building a bearish Harami. Yesterday we builded it, and now it's possible to go down here. You can see it always. If you're building a bearish engulfing or Harami, we're going down, but not here. We saw a bearish Harami and an upgoing price. Bearish Harami, down and then up. So guys, in this big pump, everything is possible, but I would like to show you this cup and handle. I would like to show you this bearish Harami. And this really important golden crossing and the EMA 200. We are fighting with this for the moment. We need a confirmed closing candle. If we can see a confirmed closing candle under the EMA 200, this would be a really nice long position maybe. But first of all, we have to fight with this. We are for the moment under this. Guys, this was a quick update for XLM. And if you are trading this, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short, guys. I wish you make millions with your trade. Have a nice time. Greetings. Thanks for watching. And I hope we see us by my next video. Every day, a new video from your BTR Bitcoin Trading Information. Bye-bye, guys. See you.
System activated.